Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Hello and welcome. In this edition of Innovation Nation, we will bring to you an innovative marketing idea, Lucky Yatra. We are going to talk about a path-breaking idea that aims to tackle fare evasion and ticketless travel. Lucky Yatra is an innovative campaign by Mumbai division of Indian Railways that transforms every train ticket into a chance to win a lottery prize. With over 24 million passengers traveling daily, Indian Railways rank among the busiest transport networks in the world. But such a massive operation brings its own challenges, one of the most pressing being ticketless travel, which results in losses amounting to hundreds of millions of rupees each year. Instead of resorting to a stricter enforcement, the Mumbai division of Indian Railways has embraced a more creative and inspired solution, and it's nothing short of a genius. India is a nation fueled by hope, and a few things capture that spirit better than the country's deep-rooted passion for lotteries. With over more than 2 lakh crores spent annually on lottery tickets, millions of people dream of striking it rich. Tapping into this powerful cultural insight, Indian Railways introduced a clever behavioral intervention, Lucky Yatra. The idea is both simple and impactful. Every train ticket now doubles as a lottery ticket, offering passengers a chance to win cash rewards simply by purchasing a valid ticket. Rather than viewing ticket purchase as a mere responsibility, Lucky Yatra reimagines it as an exciting opportunity, a shot at a life-changing reward. Lucky Yatra is a standout example of how creative advertising can merge seamlessly with social innovation. Instead of penalizing fare evaders, the campaign takes a more positive approach, rewarding those who play by the rules. It has shifted the conversation from penalty to possibility. This thoughtful reframing draws on the principle of behavioral economics, encouraging action not through punishment but through positive reinforcement. It's a smart move, one that's not only effective marketing but also smart psychology. Each train ticket issued by the Mumbai division of Indian Railways now comes with a unique identification number, automatically entering passengers into a daily lottery draw. Winners stand a chance to receive cash prizes, and the more frequently travelers purchase valid tickets, the greater their chances of winning. It's a simple yet effective way to turn everyday travel into an exciting opportunity. This is the Lucky Yatra campaign in a nutshell. This strategic integration of a lottery system into routine commuting not only fosters greater compliance but also cultivates public interest and goodwill. The strength of Lucky Yatra lies in its elegant simplicity and meaningful impact. For commuters, it introduces a rewarding and engaging element to their daily journeys. For Indian Railways, it offers an innovative approach to addressing a persistent challenge. And for the advertising industry, it serves as a compelling example of how creativity can be harnessed to achieve real-world results. In an era where marketing can often seem overly commercialized, Lucky Yatra offers a refreshing departure. It demonstrates that the most effective creative campaigns do more than promote. They solve real problems. By drawing on cultural insights and aligning with national behavioral patterns, Indian Railways has not only delivered a successful initiative but also laid the groundwork for the future innovation in the public sector. Within the realm of creative advertising, this campaign stands out not merely for its novelty but for its empathy. Lucky Yatra doesn't just promise a reward, it recognizes and celebrates honest behavior. In doing so, it exemplifies the profound impact that can be achieved when creativity is guided by purpose.